In this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall or permanently remove Billiards City game app from your smartphone. You can do this either on Android or iPhone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to do this, first go and open your apps. So you can see I have my all apps here. Then look for your Billiards City game app. As you can see, my app is here. To simply uninstall this app, just long press on your app and you should see an install option. However, if you can't see this or you have tried this and you are not able, then you need to look for the app either through Google Play Store or App Store and find out the option to uninstall. For that, I'll go to Google Play Store because I'm on Android and then search for the app. So I'll search for Billiards City and here it is, and then I'll tap on it. Currently, I have two options to uninstall or play. For my case, I want to uninstall, and to remove it permanently, just tap on uninstall and then finally uninstall it. And now you can see it has been uninstalled. Now, if I go back to my apps, you can see Billiards City game app is now fully uninstalled. So that's how you can permanently uninstall or remove Billiards City game app from your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.